Hello everyone, welcome to Invest Wisdom. In this video, we're going to talk about side hustles you can start today. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. We'll talk about everything that has to do with making more money and getting richer. And today, I'll talk about 10 side hustles that we can do if you want to do any kinds of side hustle that interests us. Some are easier to start than others, and some make more money, but with some of them, you could make over $1,000 in a day or even more. Even though there are a lot of great videos on YouTube and about side jobs, we've found that the best ways to make money online or from home are rarely shown. This is also something that people have to do, but we won't talk about it until the end of the video, even though it may seem like a small thing to do. I really appreciate your support of the channel and your encouragement for me to keep making videos and other content for you. Now, without further ado, let's start talking about these ways to make extra money. The first home-based business idea is to become a virtual assistant and work from the comfort of your own home. If you are well organized, skilled at multitasking, and educated about how to handle social media, you may be able to help a small business owner or even a big business owner and be paid for your services if you are able to provide these skills. You have the ability to sign up to work as a virtual assistant on the internet, and in addition to earning money, you have the potential to save the life of the owner of a business. The second thing on the list is house sitting, which I like to refer to as being paid to enjoy luxury, since it combines both of those concepts. The position at issue is often referred to as home sitting. Some people have second homes or vacation properties, and since they don't want to risk damaging them by leaving them unoccupied while they're away, they hire house sitters to take care both of their primary residence and their vacation houses. People are no longer have to be anxious about the safety of their homes as a result of this development. You might look for information about this service on the internet, for instance at care.com. Third, you must focus on gaining the essential confidence to begin investing your money. Whether you want to learn how to make money via investing, let me know in the comments if you'd like to see videos on my channel about it. Please let me know if you want to learn more about these issues in the comments area. For the time being, we'll most likely talk about business, money-making strategies, supplementary sources of income, and other similar issues. The fourth item on the list is providing resume and cover letter writing help job seekers. Starting with this one shouldn't be tough. All you have to do is market your services on LinkedIn, presuming you don't already have one. You should create a LinkedIn account if you don't already have one. Professionals use LinkedIn to seek work and to find people who can help them clean up their resumes, cover letters, and LinkedIn profiles so they can get better jobs. Fifth, put your graphic design skills to the test by entering a logo design competition on the website 99designs.com. You may submit your designs for other people to consider. It is not limited to the creation of logos, websites, t-shirt designs, and other similar materials. 99designs.com has all of the tools a designer might possibly need. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Sixth on the list is getting oneself registered to work as a mystery shopper. We are aware that to some people, this may seem to be a mystery. Nevertheless, the solution is really rather simple. There are a lot of companies out there that care about the experience that their customers have in their stores, whether those stores are online or offline. They employ people to go into stores, making a few purchases, and then provide feedback on their overall experience because they are interested of knowing how effectively their customer service agents and cashiers are performing their jobs. On several different websites, you may sign up to become a mystery shopper and be paid to shop anonymously. The seventh thing you should be aware of is that your favorite influencers don't want you to know that they get rewarded every time you click on one of their links and buy a product. They do this because they don't want you to think that they are trying to sell you anything. This is especially true if the link links to Amazon, where you have the opportunity to become an Amazon affiliate and make money via your sales. You will, of course, need an audience in order to do this, and in order to build one, you will need to do research on how to attract new viewers in order to get started. The number 8 goal is to begin working as a ghostwriter. Everyone and their mother appears to publishing a book these days, but you'd be correct if you assume they all sat down and wrote the book by themselves. They hire other individuals to write for them, referred to as ghostwriters. Even though they are the ones who came up with the concepts and own the rights to everything, there are still some people working behind the scenes who sometimes write for them. Ghostwriters are what they're called. On Fiverr.com, a ghostwriter may earn up to $40,000, while a freelance writer can earn up to $38,000. As a result, if you are a gifted writer who enjoys nothing more than sitting down with a pen and paper, you should seriously consider this. Our 10th activity is taking part in a focus group for the purpose of market research. It's conceivable that taking part in a marketing focus group while playing the persona that comes naturally to you can earn you money. They want to hear various points of view because they want to sell their goods to a diverse range of customers. As a result, all you have to do to start being paid to provide your unique perspective on a product or service is find a marketing focus group in your area and join it. Finally, as a personal shopper, you may create your own firm and work for yourself as an employee. It's a thing. It's for rich people who don't want to shop for themselves, and that's where you come in. Websites connect people who don't want to shop with personal shoppers. By visiting one of these websites, you may connect with affluent individuals who do not wish to purchase. Yes, it is a fact that it caters to wealthy people who prefer not to buy it for themselves. I really hope you can get the guts and confidence to begin putting these teachings into practice. We love reading the comments you leave us telling us how much you've learned from viewing these videos. You will begin to accept responsibility for your actions after you have overcome your fears and beliefs that are holding you back. I appreciate your interest in watching. I really hope that this video has provided you with some valuable knowledge. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye.